Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can zoom in as well as zoom out in the CapCut video editing application on your smartphone, for example on your Android. So what you want to do first, guys, is launch CapCut on your mobile device and start either a new project or use some of your pre-existing video projects for that. I'm going to use that video here for demonstration purposes, so let me tap on it. After that, tap on edit here in the bottom left corner, and after that simply move the slider here on your video track to the moment where you would like to add a zoom in effect, for example, just like that. It's all super intuitive, guys, and you can use your finger whip for that. So after that, simply tap on that icon here to add a keyframe just like that, and use two of your fingers, your left and your right thumb, for example, to zoom in here on your display just like that. Next, move the slider here on your video track. Let's say I would like the zoom in effect to last, let's say for example, for 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, stop and set another keyframe just like that. Let your video play for another couple of seconds, like let's say for 1 or 2 seconds, to set your final keyframe. And here on that final keyframe, zoom out again using your thumbs, for example. So as you can see, if I rewind and let that video play from the beginning, we'll see that it zooms in at that second mark here, and after a couple of seconds, it zooms out again. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day.